Thanks for tuning in to Elevate Your Game with my field trainer, sponsored by the Insurance Advisor. We're going to continue on our series of dental, vision, and hearing. This is part 4 in our training. If you haven't seen the other videos, I encourage you to go to our YouTube channel and look those up. Today we're going to focus on Medico's Dental, Vision, and Hearing Plan. Medico gives you a couple of options with their brochure. They have a full-size brochure that you can leave your client, or they have a nice trifold. So let's go into some of the product highlights. With their plan, you have freedom to choose any provider that's out there. It covers individuals from 18 to 89. They have 2 options for your clients. They can choose a $1,000 yearly benefit or $1,500 yearly benefit. It's a guaranteed issue product. Plus, they give you a bonus. If you choose to use a provider that's in their dental network, you actually get special pricing on all the dental procedures. So this is a tiered plan. So the benefits amount you can choose from $1,000 to $1,500. Year 1, it's 60/40 insurance, which means 60% of the bill will be paid by the insurance company, or should I say reimbursed by the insurance company. Year 2 is 70/30, Year 3 is 80/20, and there's a low $100 yearly deductible. So to go through a basic example, if you have the $1,000 benefit, Year 1, if you go to your dentist and you have a bill for $1,000, you have 60% coverage. A $600 reimbursement check will be mailed out either directly to the dentist or to your client. Year 2, it's 70/30, so on that $1,000 bill, 70% is covered, so a $700 reimbursement check will be mailed out. Year 3, it's 80/20, that same $1,000 bill, 80% will be covered, so an $800 reimbursement check will be mailed out. So let's go through a real-world example. If you have the $1,000 benefit, Year 1, it's 60/40 insurance. If you go to your dentist for a crown is roughly about $1,300. You pay your yearly deductible of $100. That's going to reduce the provider's bill down to $1,232. 60% will be covered by the insurance, so a $720 reimbursement check will be mailed out. So out of your $1,000 benefit, you've used up $720 of that benefit, which means there's $280 for the client to use for the remainder of the year. So let's go through another example. With that same $1,000 benefit program, if you use their maximum care network, which means you have to use a dentist, a provider that's in their network coverage, that same year it's 60/40 insurance. Now here's the key. That crown that was $1,300 because you're using the provider network is going to be at a pre-negotiated reduced price. That'll bring the price down to about $721. You'll still pay your yearly deductible. Now the provider bill is only $621, you're covered at 60%, and a reimbursement check of $372 will be mailed out. So now this is a simple way for your clients to extend their benefits. So now with that $1,000 benefit, you've only used $372 of it, and your client has $627 to use for the remainder of the year. So let's go through what the benefits actually cover. With dental coverage, you're covered immediately for your fillings, non-surgical extractions up to 4 teeth annually, diagnostic x-rays, diagnostic exams, and emergency pelvic treatments. After 3 months, you're covered for cleanings and examinations twice annually, and examinational x-rays. After 1 year, you're covered for your orthodontics and including root canals, periodontal surgeries, your bridges, your crowns, and full or partial dentures. With the vision coverage, you're covered for comprehensive eye exams immediately, and then after 6 months, you're covered for eyeglasses and contacts. Now this plan will cover up to $200 every 2 years on the eyeglasses and contacts, and this is part of your certificate maximum yearly benefits. On the hearing coverage, you're covered after 1 year for hearing exams, hearing aids, up to $500 annually, and this is also covered on your certificate of yearly benefits. Now the brochures only show one price point, so there's a separate pricing sheet that you can print out for the cost between the $1,000 benefit and the $1,500 benefit. They have a simple 4-page application that you can fill out with your client and send in. Or if you like, they do have online enrollment. Now they give you a couple of options with this. They have a program that's called My Enroller. If you download this to a desktop, you can use it online as well as offline. It's also available for iPads, and they also have this available on a strictly online basis, which means you need an internet connection. One thing to note, when you do the online applications, during the application process you do have to do an electronic signature, which means you have to have your client call an 800 number to verify that they're enrolling in the benefit. We hope this video helps you in understanding the dental, vision, and hearing plans that are available. Again, if you haven't watched the other videos in this series, please go to our YouTube channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thanks for tuning in to Elevate Your Game with My Field Trainer, sponsored by the Insurance Advisor. Make sure you like our page and shoot us any comments. If there's anything that we can do to help you become a more successful agent, feel free to shoot us a call, shoot us an email, or contact us through myfieldtrainer.com.